My research topic was to discuss the differences in segregated versus integrated education for Latino students in American public schools. To find out more about this topic, I researched and found this article called Segregating Arizona's English Learners, A Return to the Mexican Room by the authors Patricia Gandara and Gary Orfield. This was in the Teachers College Record Journal in September 2012. It was in volume 114, issue 9, pages 1 through 27. This article discussed the disadvantages that English learning students experience when they are forced to take English development classes for 4 hours a day, which results in their segregation from their English-speaking peers. This segregation causes English learning students to miss out on core curriculum as well as the opportunity to interact with proficient English-speaking students. Gandara and Orfield discussed that English learning students' segregation is not only detrimental to their academic achievement but also to their social development. To make sure that I properly cited the source, I first of all went up to this button and clicked Cite, which pulled up a bunch of different types of citations. I chose the APA style citation. So you're just going to copy and paste that. But before I did anything, I went to look at different types of ways to cite an article. And I use this format right here, which basically shows you how to list the authors as well as the year, the title of the article, the title of the periodical, the volume number, the issue number, as well as the page number. So then I went to my Word document, and it's important that for APA you're in Times New Roman, you're using a 12-point font. You also are going to want to check your spacing and make sure that you are double spaced, and you're going to want a hanging indent for your references. So in the center of your page, you're going to write references. And you can come back over. And then I pasted what I copied from the website. And this needs to be changed already to Times New Roman, 12-point font. Then I'm going to check and make sure I have a comma, and then a period after the first initial, followed by a comma, the ampersand, the second author's name with a comma, first initial, period, space, then the year, followed by a period. Next, I'm going to refer back to this, and we're going to make sure that we have the title of the article, which is Segregating Arizona's English Learners, A Return to the Mexican Room. This needs to be in sentence style structure with only the first word as well as pronouns capitalized. So I'm going to change capital L to a lowercase l, followed by the capital R to a lowercase r. And that can all stay. I'm going to remove that period. I'm going to refer back to that website. Next, we need the title of the periodical italicized, which would be Teachers College Record. So that is correct. I'm going to refer back again, and you're going to have your volume number followed by your issue number in parentheses, also italicized. So we do have that as well. Followed by a comma, and then the pages with a period. So that reference is correct. So then you can just save that on your computer.